What's going on, guys? Today we are river fishing / creek fishing for smallies and maybe even pike. In this spot I went to a few times last year and didn't have any luck. So let's go out and get some smallies. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get to fishing. Alright, I'm doing an underspin on my braided combo, so water's pretty dirty, so can't really see much. So hopefully we get something today. So yeah, I got that pike yesterday. This is currently the next day since I filmed that video. Hoping to get a smallie first, ever get one. Never in my life, so today might be the day. Right, oh, that was a good cast, right next to that tree over there. This is the Abugosari Pro Max, I think I said that, but I use this for using my topwater and whatever I'm going to throw usually in braid. So I also have a dark sleeper tied on and the drop shot. So hopefully I can get something on any of them. I've not gotten anything before an underspin and they've been caught. Alright guys, there's a bunch of carp over there spawning. Not going for them today, but haven't seen them spawn. Oh, there's some more over here. There's a ton of carp. Yo, I just had one foul. No clue, I think they are. Alright, we're back over here. No clue what those fish are. don't know if they're carp or suckers or red horse or whatever they're called, but they're odd. And I also saw a snake, so that's fun. I'll go back over here and see if there is anything roaming. I might honestly try to throw the dark sleeper around a bit. No clue if they're up in the river. Yeah, it's still around the dark sleeper. This is I forget what brand it is, but I got it from Monster Bass last year, I believe. Hopefully you guys can see that, but got anything these things probably will not snag that well, so because of the hooks up on top and it's kind of guarding it, but they look fire in the water. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also make sure you subscribe for sure for more content. My channel is somewhat growing. The only reason how it's going to grow is if you guys subscribe and like the videos. So, alright, let's get back to fishing. Shot. Hopefully I don't get snagged, but same thing as yesterday. X-Zone finesse slimer, I think that's what they're called, on a 6 cents drop shot hook with a lead drop shot weight on my Rev Rose 2500. So this is the one I got the pike on, so very confident. So let's see if these smallies or anything wants a slow moving bait. So he's going downstream. I'm just gonna stay up here. So maybe they down the road from here, see if there's anything. If I don't get snagged on this side, probably will, but I know, guys. Alright, let's see. Alright, he got one down here, so I'm gonna take this dark sleeper down here, so get back to you. Alright guys, you see this? There's a very big current. And he caught one in the current. So I'm gonna try this out.
Got one.
Let's go.
Man, don't horse him, don't hit him. Yep, he's a jumper. That one's smaller than mine. There you go, first smallmouth. A dark sleeper. First catch. Hold him tight, okay? Alright, see him?
Let's go.
See it? Alright, let's let him go. You see him jump, dude? Aggressive little fella. Hey, there you go, bro. First
Let's go. First cast.
Yeah. Not like I told you exactly where to cast or anything.
But yeah, but he hit over there though.
Yeah.
This water's kind of cold.
Right in the current break, guys.
Alright, that was a terrible.
There's going to be a ton of them here, just because there isn't much space for them to get stacked. But
Holy crap. Was that another one?
it's in a tree. Another one. Or is that a rock? That's a rock. Got that. I don't think there are going to be too many of them here.
It's awesome, guys. Alright guys, that'll be it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys got to see my first smallmouth I've ever caught this year. Well, ever. And the first fish out of there, because last year I didn't catch anything out of there, so hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a comment down below what I should do, and make sure you hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn the bell notification on so you can find out when I post next. And go get out there, catch some big ones. Peace out.